Hello friends, what's up? So in today's video, I'm about to cut my hair because okay, I'm not gonna say quarantine is doing this to me. It's not that. I was watching a vlog from a while ago. Like I'm talking about like maybe before quarantine started. I was watching this vlog and I'll post a picture of my hair in that vlog and I was like, whoa, when did my hair look that cute? When it was short. Like, I'm so confused. When did it look that cute? And why didn't I acknowledge that it looked that cute? You know what I'm saying? Since then, that was like maybe almost a month ago. So since then, I've been looking at my hair and I'm like, I don't want to cut it like that. But then with quarantine going on and like social distancing, obviously I can't go to a hair salon. And then I actually asked at home, my mom and Sana, my sister-in-law, if anyone was like, you know, willing to help me out, and they told me not to cut my hair. Everyone at home told me don't cut your hair. So naturally the obvious thing I did was run away and I came to my place because I've been actually quarantining with my family at home, and I decided to do it here with all that negative energy because I don't need that kind of energy in my life, you know what I'm saying? And now we're here all alone and we're gonna cut our hair, so let's do this. Okay, so you guys know when I was complaining about my hair being short, I just want to clarify, and I think I have mentioned it a bunch of times, but basically the issue I had, of course I don't want my hair, I'm not cutting my hair like this short, you know. When I complain about my hair being short and when I was really upset, my bangs were so short that I had to always kind of braid them away or tie them away, and that is what led me to feeling very insecure with short hair. My bangs, I'm not even lying you guys, in 2018 of May, my bangs were this short. You guys have to go look at that Instagram post. My bangs were broken and they were this short, okay? So what issue I had when my hair was short was that my bangs, even now you guys can see that it's not like a layered like situation. It's like bang and then boom, you know what I'm saying? So it's not that it's like purposely layered. This is because my hair up here was so damaged from going blonde that it was so short and the rest of my hair was okay. So that's where I was like upset and not okay with the short hair. But if you remember when I had pink hair, when I initially went short, I had kind of hot pink hair and it was like this. My bangs were the same length as my actual hair and I didn't mind it. I actually did not mind it at all, because I know I posted it on my Zaid Instagram. Everyone thought that I was first doing an April Fool's joke. Oh yeah, by the way, it's April Fool's today. It is my birthday, but I'm not posting this on April Fool's because everyone on my Zaid Instagram, when I posted that I'm gonna get a haircut, said, oh, you're about to do an April Fool's joke on me. And it's like, no, if you're born on April Fool's, you know this. You guys don't F around with April Fool's jokes. You grew up with everyone telling you on April Fool's that you're a fool and trying to prank you. So now I'm just like, okay, no, I would not, no, this is a serious day. This is my birthday. And also, don't be like me. Maybe just wait for a hairstylist to get your hair cut. Just don't be like me. I am not a professional. I'm using regular kitchen scissors for this. I think I've talked enough. It's been 5 minutes of me talking. All right, okay. And oh, I'm 2 coffee cups in, if you can't tell. I stopped drinking coffee. If you guys don't follow my vlog channel, like, what are you doing with your life? Because you don't understand me as a person otherwise. But yeah, I stopped drinking coffee and now I'm 2 coffee cups in on my birthday and we are here about to cut my hair. Okay, so what I want to do is, I don't want to cut it too short. I want my hair to eventually all be one length. I prefer when my hair is one length, and I think like this is actually a good length for my hair. Because I googled how to cut your hair all one length and they said to basically kind of tie it. So I guess we're just getting into this. So this is a layer right here, but obviously this is gonna be way too short. I believe I'm gonna cry if I cut it this short. That would be about like 2 solid inches, I think. So I'm going to go with this second layer. So I have 2 layers. So my first layer is the length of my bangs, and then I have a layer underneath that goes up to here, and then I have a layer under that goes here, because then my bangs aren't actually too far off, you guys. Then I can kind of fake that it's kind of like a fade, whereas right now my bangs are up here and my full length is here. I'm a little nervous. Let's drink some water. anytime anyone is like angry or upset at home, the first thing my mom does is grabs us a cup of water and tells us to sit down and drink it. So now anytime I'm stressed or angry or anything, I go and grab a cup of water and I drink it. And that's my TED Talk. Okay, so I have these little elastic bands here. Also my nails, I'm getting better at doing them. I'll eventually do a video with you guys. For you guys, okay. Oh my god, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I just hope I'm doing this okay. So I'm gonna tie my hair up here. Oh god. I feel like I might regret this, but just know that I am okay with it being my fault. And I promise I will not complain. All right, so now that my hair is in pigtails like this, okay, I'm gonna sit cross-legged and I'm gonna straighten up my back and I'm gonna look at the mirror, so I'm not gonna look at you guys. I'm looking at the mirror and the goal is I'm just basically like sectioning off my hair in equal parts. Okay, let's start off with cutting it a little. Let's cut off that much. So this is the layer that I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna tie my hair or tie it around my hair right here. And then I'm gonna try to make sure that the next one is at the exact same spot. You know what's gonna happen to me? I already know how this is gonna happen. You know how when sometimes you're doing eyeliner and one eye is thick and then the other eye is thin? So then you're like, you know what? Let me make the thin eyeliner to match the thick eyeliner, and then the thin eyeliner becomes thicker than the thick eyeliner. So then you're like, you know what, let me make the thick eyeliner as big as the thin eyeliner that now is thicker, and then that it just becomes a whole thing. So now I'm scared, what if this is shorter and this is longer? And then I'm like, okay, let me make this shorter, and then this is shorter, and then this is longer, and I'm like, okay. So I feel like that looks pretty even right here. So I don't know if I want to cut underneath or cut overneath. I'm gonna cut over, so I'm gonna bring it down a little more. You know, this would be a time where it's good to have a ruler, but let me double check here. It's no big deal. It just took me 2 years to grow my hair this long again. Okay, we're doing it. Forget it, we're doing it. Okay, so we're gonna cut right here. Do you guys see that? Holy shit. All right, we're gonna do this one here. Wow, this is great. Like I can make this a highlighter brush. Wow, look at this position right here. This is great. I'm gonna save this and make my own highlighter brush hair. It's gross, don't do that. Okay, so should we open it up now? Because this looks really funny to me and I think I'm okay with the length, but I know you guys are probably looking at this like wanting a more drastic change, but listen, I'm not trying to be depressed about my hair for the next 2 years again, you know? Oh shit. Okay, there's a lot happening here right now that I'm not okay with. All right, let's talk about it. Oh my god. All right, okay. It's okay. Everything's okay. Your mirror was about to... I don't hate it. All right, I don't hate it. I also... Okay, hold on. This is a shock to my system. Just hold on. All right, I'm gonna text my mom this picture. Let's just see what my mom says. Okay, so let me tell you guys what's wrong. I don't know if you guys can tell. Do you see how this part is not equal? So I'm not too sure why. It could be where I was like, how I was sitting. So I'm gonna kind of try my best to cut it as even as possible. Also, I'm not using the best scissors in my opinion. I should have been using like better scissors, you know, for actually cutting hair. Okay, that's not working. Drink some water, everyone. So I think what I need to do is go to this back section that is a little longer and do one of those like I said, like that, like right here. I don't know, I know this thins it out, but maybe this will like help blend it all in together. Not the worst. My mom is calling. Uh-oh. Hello.
Yeah, I showed Sana what you said. You speaker pe lagi hui. What did you do?
I cut it, and now it's not even.
Oh my god.
It's okay, guys. It's okay. I'm dealing with it. And if I can't deal with it when I come home, Sana will fix it.
I am taking away all the scissors from your
I'm using kitchen scissors.
You're basically
Kitchen scissors.
You're basically like Nadia at this point.
I think it'll look fine.
Don't cut anymore.
No, now I'm just gonna leave it. And then when I come home. And then when I come home.
I told you not to do it.
No, I don't hate it. I actually like it. Like, okay, I'm finishing my video. Okay, look. Like now, it's slowly starting to blend in together. Do you guys get what I'm trying to do with my life? Or no? Do we not get what we're trying to do? I didn't even look at the back. Let's look if the back is straight. Is the back straight? I won't know this till I look at the video. Actually, I can somehow look. I'm gonna take a picture. I have a mirror here. Let me look at it like this way. Yeah, that's not straight. There's nothing straight about the back of my hair. Oh God. Like I said, I'm not gonna be crazy about making it totally one length. Let's talk about the positives here, okay? The positive here is that now when we look at my bangs are right here. And then we look at my actual hair right here, it's not that big of a difference. So now I can almost kind of pull off that, yeah, my hair is blended in. I don't think I should cut anymore because I think I should go home and let my sister-in-law cut it. Like just the back, those little 2 long pieces, like all she has to do is snip that, you know? Otherwise, I do really like it. Let's continue this at home. Okay guys, I'm home now. Sana and my mom, I mean, you guys are not mad that I cut it. Sana's gonna clean up my back of my hair.
It's not that bad. I thought it was really bad.
These are good.
Oh my god, no.
Mom, why are you putting so much pressure? Can you just like...
Oh my god, I can't even see it.
Still has like a little pinch. Yeah, I couldn't reach it.
Oh yeah, so much better. It's like...
Auntie, is this better?
Yeah. FaceTime your mom and put it on.
My mom was like, hi, live ke pure baal kharab ho gaye.
Are you scared right now?
Huh? No, I already cut it.
Yeah, I know. You pretty much already did it.
Yeah.
This girl's going ham in the back. You don't even know what's
Now that
happening.
Sana's doing it, I don't mind. Like, I'm like, okay, I trust Sana. Mom, you should let Sana cut your hair now.
Oh shit!
I don't actually, you know what? I've been
Did you have a heart attack or no? Try to make her have
So
a...
you guys went through the worst and bad. At this point, the worst thing you could do to her is just take a shaver and put it on her head. Like that's pretty much...
Yeah. Let's see if I regret it in 2 or 3 days, but for now I don't regret it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe here, my vlogging channel, my entire family here on YouTube, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!